Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, leave your comments, let me know how you feel about this update. It's not real good, I'm sorry y'all. Y'all, we have 2 days of good news about the Fed stepping in, and now this. It is crazy. Y'all, this is going to be a short video, so bear with me. Mark Meadows, Steve Mnuchin, and Mooch McConnell. Just when you thought these guys couldn't get any more dumber, they come up with this here. Y'all, these three men needs to be, and I use men very lightly, these three waste of space needs to be locked up in a padded room before they hurt themselves. That's just how dumb they are. You all know that the House wanted to spend $3.4 trillion on a stimulus package, but the Mooch man, I'm going to start calling him the Mooch man, says only $1 trillion. So Nancy Pelosi said she would come down to $2 trillion as a good gesture. She wasn't taking anything out of her proposal. She was just shortening the length of time that they would be in place, saving money. Well, now the Mooch man and his little buddies are working on a smaller deal, smaller than the one trillion that they originally said. And as of now, can you guess what's not in it? Well, if you said stimulus checks for the people, you would be right. The Feds needs to step in now and send out stimulus checks to the people, because these brain-dead fools in Congress don't know their butts from a hole in the ground. Y'all, we know Mooch McConnell is old as dirt. And if he would fall off the face of the earth right now, I would be the first one passing out party favors. Y'all, we need to get these people out of office. I hope I have better news tomorrow or later on tonight. I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments. And just know I love you all. And we will get out of this. We have God on our side. Ciao.